welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today I have a nice cake recipe for you for carrot cake, one of my favorites. Let's get started.
I got this lovely recipe from the blog Sugar Spun Run. You could read her written recipe in the link below. For this recipe, you need 2.5 cups or 315 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams white sugar, 1 cup or 200 grams brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, half a teaspoon nutmeg, 1 cup or 225 milliliters oil, half a cup or 125 grams melted butter, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 3 cups or 340 grams finely grated carrots. That's typically 4 or 5 carrots. Optionally, you can add 1 cup or about 125 grams of chopped nuts. Walnuts and pecans go well with carrot cake. I chose not to use them today, however. I begin by adding all the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, brown sugar, spices, and baking powder, and whisk it together. Next, add the oil and melted butter and mix with the mixer. The batter will be quite thick at this point. Add the eggs one at a time and beat well between each addition until incorporated. Next, add the vanilla. And fold in the carrots and nuts if desired. This batter is so beautiful and it tastes amazing. Pour the batter into prepared cake pans and bake them for 40 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. It bakes up beautifully and should look something like this when baked. I've been asked to cut into my cakes when presenting a recipe, however that is rarely practical since I use the cakes I make to make fancier cakes. But I can show you how I level the cakes, which will give you a better idea of the texture. That way, I get the tops of the cakes. My girls love eating the cake scraps. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps you make the perfect carrot cake every time. This recipe is dense and moist and perfect for stacking and carving. Visit our website for more recipes and tutorials at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.
Daddy, are you okay? Yeah, just because you can't have the whole cake? Yeah, you can't have the whole cake. Sorry, answer's still no. No matter how much you cry, I'm not giving you this whole cake. Dude, Natty, this is a 7-inch cake. You can't eat it by yourself. I can't even eat it by myself, okay? Take my word for it. The piece I gave you is enough. There we go. This is so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. This is definitely my new go-to recipe.